Discover the spectacular Woolshed Falls near Beechworth in Victoria's high country, where cascading water, enormous granite ledges and fascinating gold rush history come together in one remarkable location. Situated approximately 10 minutes north of Beechworth in Chiltern-Mt Pilot National Park, Woolshed Falls offers an observation area overlooking the Cascades, picnic opportunities, and the chance to discover the remains of historic alluvial gold workings. The waterfall can be especially impressive following periods of heavy rain. In this episode of The Holiday Hunter, we explore the views and share what families and travellers can expect when visiting this beautiful part of northeast Victoria. Take extra care around the water and rocky areas, particularly when travelling with children, as the rocks can become extremely slippery. Would you include Woolshed Falls on your Beechworth or Victorian High Country road trip? Please give the video a like, subscribe to The Holiday Hunter, and turn on notifications for more Australian attractions, hidden gems, family adventures, road trips, and unforgettable places to visit. Don't forget to enjoy the little moments in life.